and what is about to be created. And as y'all see by the title, this is going to be so yummy. Like, comment, let me know what y'all favorite pancakes and what type of flavor y'all like to make, what y'all like to put up in there, and what do y'all add up in it. How good that look. So delicious. I'm gonna add a little cinnamon on top of it. Y'all want to add anything y'all want to. So this taste. This is good. This is good. Oh yes. I'm on the way. Oh my gosh. If y'all want more like this, go to playlist, like this video, leave a comment below. How y'all make y'all pancakes? Give me your ideas. Share the video, and I'll catch y'all in the next one.